JPR is going to try one of these best of footballs. Pick box number 1 right on top. Here we go, Joey. Got a vintage card. Devontae Parker. Tevin Coleman. And Bart Starr, 1959 Topps. Excellent Mint Plus, 6.5. Bart Starr. There you go. 1959. Can an offensive pro player advance a recovered fumble? What? Oh, can a defensive, I thought it said offensive. Can a defensive pro player advance the recovered fumble? Yeah. Maybe that wasn't common knowledge back then. Can you throw the football forward? Yeah, you can. It makes the game more fun that way. All right, that's it. Thanks, JPR Joey. See ya.